Introducing Vietnam's finest export-quality fresh ginger. Grown in the lush fields of Vietnam, our ginger is renowned for its exceptional quality and robust flavor. With favorable climatic conditions and skilled farmers, Vietnam ensures that only the highest quality ginger reaches your plate. Each ginger root undergoes meticulous washing and packaging processes, preserving its freshness and aroma. Spice up your culinary creations with our aromatic ginger, adding a delightful kick to your stir-fries, curries, and marinades. Vietnam's fresh ginger is not only flavorful, but also offers numerous health benefits, making it an essential ingredient for a balanced lifestyle. Indulge in the soothing warmth of ginger tea, known for its immune-boosting properties and refreshing taste. Experience Vietnam's exceptional ginger for yourself. Contact us today to explore the incredible flavors and health benefits of our export-quality fresh ginger. Elevate your dishes with the finest ginger from Vietnam. Vietnam. Fresh ginger, a taste worth savoring.